I always wanted to make this video about the surgical blade number 11. So I have three brands, and one of it is the famous one. You have heard of it before, Feather, Swan Modern. This one is JB, and among of them, this one is the cheapest. First, open this one. So if I want to compare the 11 surgical blade, I want the front end here to be sharp and slim. Okay, so, and here comes the next one. It is so thick. Okay, between these two blades, you can tell this one is not pointy enough. I can tell here is thicker, the front end. And look at here, and here, there's a difference. So the third one, China, they have a sharpest. Let's see, this is what we wanted, sharp and pointy. So then we can scratch the CPU to make super tiny jumper. So if you compare by this, and between the Featherlight and China, I still prefer the China JB. Okay, so you don't need to spend money on an expensive brand. Also, the Featherlight, they are still easy to be broken. If you ask which one can last longer, they are about the same. Yep, that's it for the video.